other things that you can do. As I mentioned, you can download our app, our different SDKs, sample code that you can start with, and we're going to dive into that a little bit later once we start doing coding stuff in our GitHub channel. I would definitely advise looking through it. We have a lot of open source examples that you can literally start building and playing around with. It's super, super useful. But also, if you press this help button, you're able to get directed automatically to our documentation. Our documentation is literally a step-by-step guide to do exactly what I just did so far. So definitely check them out because they will literally allow you to do exactly what I just did and guide you through it. So the same way you can see things in AR or share it with your friends, definitely go through this to play around with the information and play around with how to do these things. We also have a link to our Slack channel in which you can ask team members for support, so definitely register for that, or mail us or give us a tweet. And we'll try to help you out. Let's see other things that we have. So you can obviously switch a theme, dark being the default.